What's going on, folks? You ever had a problem with your vehicle to where basically your battery gauge, your needle right here starts shaking like it is, like you can see right here? This is actually the needle that tells me my voltage power, and it's been kind of shaking like that. Sometimes if you have that issue, it could be that you have a bad needle itself to where the voltage on the vehicle is correct, but your needle's just bad. But a lot of times if you have that issue, and say you look at your headlights when you see it shaking like that, or you just look at, say, like your dash lights or something like that, and you see like a fluctuation in the brightness of it going up and down, what this is telling you is that most likely you have a problem with your alternator. Like on this one, you can see that the needle is shaking, but yet it's still above, say, the 14. So it's showing that it's putting out, say, the correct voltage, but it's just jumping all around like that, which, like I said, once again, means that you have a problem most likely with your alternator. Now, sometimes you could have, say, a voltage regulator problem, but most time in these cases, it's just your alternator is going bad itself. And you may want to go ahead and get your alternator tested, as well as possibly change it, especially if you're about ready to go somewhere far, because you wouldn't want this alternator to go out, say you're out on the road somewhere. And as you can see, the needle is just kind of shaking around like that. So the vehicle is still running, and it pretty much seems to be running fine, but this is definitely telling me that there's a problem that's in the works. It's basically saying this alternator may go bad. And your alternator itself, I'm going to show you where your alternator is at on this vehicle. This happens to be a Chevy Avalanche, and the good thing is it's pretty simple to change the alternators out on this vehicle. Alright, now I basically just popped the hood, and on this Chevy Avalanche right here, the alternator is pretty much right here. This is your alternator, and on this vehicle it's pretty simple to get to. All you have to do pretty much is take off your belt right here first. Then once you do that, you'll have to remove like a screw right here, and you'll also have to remove a screw over here, and your alternator will come loose. But like I said, if your voltage meter is shaking the way that it was inside that needle, more than likely this is what your problem is, your alternator. Now, before you change it out, what you may also want to do is come out here and play with the electrical connections to it, just to make sure that these connections are in nice and tight. So you may just want to, say, unplug it, plug it back up. Do the same thing right here. You'll have to take this off right here also. When you're changing out your alternator, you'll have to remove this screw right here. That's basically this bolt that's on this screw, and take this wire off right here to actually disconnect the alternator anyway. So you may want to check this. Make sure it's getting a good connection on here. Just put that back over there. And also, you may want to unplug right here to make sure that this is good. Maybe blow it out, or sometimes you could get some dirt or debris or something like that that's in there that's causing it to have a bad connection. But if once you do all that stuff, and if it's still doing the same thing, then like I said, most likely this alternator right here is actually having a problem. You may want to go ahead and change it out, because most likely it'll go ahead and go all the way out soon. Alright folks, once again, this is a quick video pretty much giving you a diagnosis of what may be wrong if you have a needle that's on your voltage meter, pretty much it keeps on shaking like I showed you before. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos, and please subscribe and like. Thanks.